Tension between India and Pakistan. Union Home Minister, that is Amit Shah, on Thursday spoke with the Director General of the Border Guarding Forces to assess the situation. Amit Shah also talked to the Director General of the Central Industrial Security Forces, that is the SISF, also regarding the airport security. The Pakistan had targeted military stations of Jammu, Pathankot, Udhampur in the proximity to the international boundary headquarters integrated defense staff, that wrote in the post on X. Also, armed forces have successfully neutralized the attack and no loss has been reported. Military stations of the Jammu, Pathankot and Udhampur in proximity to the international boundary in Jammu and Kashmir targeted by the Pakistan using the missiles and drones. No losses, threat neutralized by the Indian armed forces as per the SOP with the kinetic and the non-kinetic means, the headquarters have said. Also, Pakistan Army has violated ceasefire and resorted to firing across the line of control. They have targeted Kupwara, Tangdhar and Karna sector of the Jammu and Kashmir. They also fired 8 missiles directed at the Satwari, Samb, Arispura, Arnia, and they were all intercepted and blocked by the air defense unit, the different sources have said. Also, the sources said that the visuals over the Jammu reminded us of exactly a Hamas-style attack on Israel, like multiple cheap rockets. Pakistan Army is operating and behaving like a terrorist organization. Hamas last month, ISI and the Hamas met in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Explosions were heard as the Indian air defense intercepted the Pakistani drones in Udhampur and Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistani drones were intercepted by the Indian air defense in Jaisalmer. Also, explosions were heard and flashes were seen in the sky. A complete blackout has been enforced in Bikaner, Rajasthan, Jalandhar, Punjab. Also, blackout have been enforced in the Kishtwar, Akhnur, Samb, Jammu and Kashmir, Amritsar, Jalandhar areas. Also, India has responded to the Pahalgam terror attack through Operation Sindoor, in which terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and POK was targeted through the precision strikes. Also, India said that any attack on the military installation will invite a suitable response. It said this morning that India armed forces targeted the air defense radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan. The Indian response has been in the same domain with the same intensity as Pakistan. Also, it has been reliably reliant, and we have learned that the air defense system at Lahore has been neutralized.